yesterday's video. The concept was this: you copy the settings, you use the information that we gave you, you use the rules for entry and stop loss that we give you. We've provided everything for you. You take every single sneaker signal between London session and New York session. What you can do is set alerts so you don't have to sit on your charts the entire time, and your phone will give you a notification saying, hey, this signal printed, enter your trade. If you allow signal repainting, it'll give you a couple of minutes to get on the charts and set up your trade entry. But from yesterday, the 28th, to the 14th of August, which is a total of 10 days, as you can see here, thumbs down is a losing trade, thumbs up is a winning trade. Within that same time frame, we had 8 losses and 20 wins with a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio, gave you 30% up and then minus 8% for your losses, giving you a net of 22% on your account. Now, I'm going to show you the 1-minute settings for this same strategy. Okay, so you're gonna open up the settings by clicking the settings wheel next to the Stairmaster indicator. Allow signal repainting. Time frame is going to be chart. Stair sensitivity is going to remain at 3. The TSV length and the TSV MA filter is going to remain the same at 13 and 7. The MA source is going to be close, and you are going to change the MA length to 75 and change the MA type to smoothed. Everything else will remain the same from yesterday's video. The things that you can do to clean up the clutter on your chart, because by default you're going to have the ceiling and the floor and the moving average. Just to make things simple and to not psych yourself out, because the signal must print while it's breaking above a ceiling or below a floor and above or below the moving average. So what you can do just for convenience is remove all of these and only look at every time the shoe prints a signal. Then click OK. Now, if I turn off all of my indicators and I remove all of my drawings, I will get a nice clear view of what the chart is doing on the 1-hour time frame. What I want you to do, and what's recommended, is drawing up 1-hour support and resistance. So this is a level of support because price hit it and bounced up. This is a level of resistance because price hit it and shot down. Then this right here is a mid-level. We had some resistance here that broke through, used as support, then used as support again, which if you break that down to a 15-minute time frame, you will see that that is now an area of support. That's going to be your mid-level 15-minute support and resistance zone. What you can do is change the color of that to blue. Now you take it down to the 1-minute chart again, and now you're looking for either a break below this or a break above this, using the Stairmaster and consolidation zones and the simple sessions. We are currently not in an active market session. This is pre-London session right now. So we wait for London session to open, we wait for some movement, and then take a 1-minute candle print as it breaks these consolidation zones, and we're going to be targeting the 1-hour support and resistance or previous structure to the left. This is structure to the left, and this is structure to the left. Price will always go for the nearest available liquidity. There is liquidity living above this swing high, so this is most likely on the lower time frame. So even if you got a rejection off of that 15-minute support and resistance zone, you could set your trade entry, stop loss below the swing low, and your take profit either to something more safe, to where there's a lot of price action, or the top of that zone, which would give you a 1 to 2.83 on the maximum level, or 1 to 1.65 on the safe level. But if you're sticking to the rules of the strategy,